Hello and welcome. We have with us Ms. Renu Luthra, Pro Vice Chancellor at Galgotias University. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, what do you think, what benefits the 12th class students will get through Engineering Watch fellowships?
You know, the education sector is very slow to change in India. And considering the unemployment rates, considering that all newspapers today are carrying reports that the graduates that are coming out of universities are highly unemployable, this Engineering Watch Fellowship is an innovative step to scale up the quality of education in engineering colleges. The advantage that the students who opt for this Engineering Watch Scholarship, the advantage that these students will get is that, I would like to put it like this. Professional studies like engineering are not pure academics. They are a preparation for the corporates while rooted in academics. And so for this purpose, it's very, very important that the corporate linkages are very strong. And this is one area that most colleges have been ignoring, the corporate linkages. So we have a situation in India wherein the colleges and the corporate sector are operating in silos, each blaming the other. The corporate sector saying they're not training the graduates for our requirements. So this initiative wherein the mentorship is going to come from the corporates is an amazing step. It's a very innovative step in the right direction wherein both the stakeholders, that is the engineering colleges and the corporates, will have to come together on a platform to ensure that quality education and corporate ready professionals are developed.
Ma'am, what is the reason behind the contribution of Galgotias University in this initiative?
You see, Galgotias University has been at the forefront of education, particularly engineering education, for decades now. And we have found that it's very important. We don't compromise on the quality of education, but we have found that a degree which our student will get, a student from Galgotias University will get, when it is accompanied by a branded network of mentors, corroboration, by a branded network of mentors, stamp, that will be very, very valuable for the student. He'll be eminently more placeable.
Thank you so much, ma'am.